Unlocking the flavors. Understanding soup base in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a delicious topic in the English language, the phrase, soup base. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just keen to expand your English vocabulary, understanding terms like these can be both fun and educational. So, let's unravel the flavors hidden in this phrase together. The term, soup base, refers to the foundation or the starting point of a soup. It's the initial mix of ingredients that provides the main flavor and body to the soup. Imagine it as the canvas upon which the rest of the soup is built. A soup base typically includes components like broth, vegetables, herbs, and spices. It sets the stage for the rest of the ingredients that will be added later. Soup bases vary widely across different cultures and cuisines. Let's explore a few. 1. Broth-based. Made from simmering meat, poultry, or fish bones in water, often with vegetables and herbs. Chicken broth is a classic example. 2. Vegetable-based. Ideal for vegetarian options. This base uses a mixture of vegetables and herbs. 3. Cream-based. Rich and creamy. These bases often start with a roux, a mix of butter and flour, and are thickened with cream or milk. 4. Stock-based. Similar to broth but usually richer, as it's made by simmering bones with marrow, which gives a deeper flavor. Understanding these types can help you better grasp the variety and richness of soups in English-speaking cultures. A good soup base is the secret to a flavorful soup. It's not just about boiling ingredients together. It's about layering flavors and creating a harmony among different elements. For instance, a well-prepared chicken broth can elevate a simple noodle soup into a delightful dish. Similarly, a rich tomato base can be the foundation of a hearty minestrone. The soup base often sets the tone for the soup's flavor profile. Interestingly, soup base can also be used metaphorically in English. In this context, it signifies the foundational element or the starting point of any concept, project, or discussion. For example, if someone says, "The basic principles are the soup base of our discussion," they mean that these principles are the fundamental elements upon which the discussion is built. And there you have it. The term, soup base, is not just a culinary concept but also a part of the rich tapestry of the English language. It embodies the idea of starting points and foundational elements in both cooking and conversation. We hope this video has added some flavor to your English vocabulary and understanding. Keep practicing, and don't forget to experiment with new words and phrases in your language journey. Until next time, happy learning!